Imagine two cosmic titans locked in an eternal dance of destruction and creation. In one corner, the infamous black hole, a monstrous abyss that devours everything, even light itself. In the other, its mysterious twin, the white hole, a celestial fountain spewing matter and energy into the universe. But what if these cosmic opposites collided? Brace yourselves for the ultimate space smackdown that could rip reality apart. Black hole versus white hole. Darkness against light. The end of time facing the birth of universes. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the mind-bending physics of these cosmic extremes and explore the earth-shattering consequences of their collision. What we're about to uncover will change how you see the universe forever. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Let's jump into the most extreme event the cosmos has ever witnessed. First up, black holes. These cosmic monsters are like the universe's no exit signs. Once you cross the event horizon, you're in for a one-way trip to, well, we're not quite sure where. Black holes form when massive stars die in spectacular supernovas. Their gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Talk about clingy. Now, meet the rebel of the cosmos, the white hole. Think of it as a black hole's wild cousin, partying in reverse. While black holes suck everything in, white holes are cosmic vending machines, spitting out matter and light like there's no tomorrow. But here's the kicker. We've never actually seen a white hole. They're the unicorns of astrophysics, existing only in the realm of math and imagination. For now, let's break down their key differences. 1. Appetite. Black holes are cosmic gluttons, devouring everything in sight. White holes? They're on a strict no-intake diet, only output allowed. 2. Time travel. Fall into a black hole, and you might just see the future. Stumble upon a white hole, and you could witness the birth of time itself. 3. Visibility. We've captured images of black holes looking like cosmic donuts. White holes? They're camera shy and theoretically impossible to observe. 4. Origin stories. Black holes form from collapsing stars. White holes? They might be the result of quantum effects or even the other side of black holes. 5. Neighborhood impact. Black holes warp space-time, creating gravitational waves. White holes would theoretically do the same, but in reverse, potentially unwarping space-time. Now, imagine these cosmic opposites colliding. It would be like matter meeting antimatter, potentially creating a burst of energy that would make supernovas look like firecrackers. Some scientists speculate this collision could create wormholes, tear holes in the fabric of space-time, or even birth new universes. Talk about family planning on a cosmic scale. But here's a mind-bending thought. What if black holes and white holes are actually the same thing, just viewed from different sides of time? It's like watching a video of someone jumping into a pool. Play it forward, it's a black hole. Reverse it, and voila, a white hole. As we push the boundaries of physics, who knows what we'll discover? Maybe we'll find that white holes are lurking in the centers of galaxies, or that they're the source of mysterious cosmic rays. One thing's for sure, in the cosmic battle between black and white holes, the real winner is our curiosity. These bizarre objects challenge our understanding of the universe and push us to explore further, think bigger, and dream wilder. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars and planets. You're witnessing a cosmic battlefield where the laws of physics duke it out on the grandest scale imaginable. Now that we've explored the fascinating differences between black holes and white holes, let's take this cosmic journey a step further. Imagine what would happen if these two incredible forces of nature were to collide. Buckle up, because things are about to get even more mind-bending. Buckle up, space fans, because we're about to witness the ultimate cosmic smackdown. What happens when these universe-bending monsters collide? Strap in, because the answer might just blow your mind. First, let's set the stage. Black holes. We've seen them. We've measured them. We know they're out there gobbling up everything in sight. But white holes? They're the cosmic unicorns, theoretically spewing out matter and light like there's no tomorrow. Never seen, but mathematically possible. Now, imagine these polar opposites crashing together. It's like matter meeting antimatter, but cranked up to 11. As they near each other, space-time itself begins to warp. Gravity goes haywire. Light bends in impossible ways. It's a cosmic light show that would make the northern lights look like a cheap firework display. But that's just the appetizer. The main course? Pure, unadulterated chaos. Theory 1. The cosmic reboot. Some scientists speculate this collision could create a burst of energy so powerful it could kickstart a whole new universe. Talk about a big bang. Theory 2. The wormhole wonder. As these cosmic opposites collide, they might tear a hole in the fabric of space-time, creating a shortcut across the universe. Intergalactic travel? Anyone? Theory 3. The reality ripper. This collision could shred the very laws of physics. Imagine gravity turning off and on like a light switch, or time flowing backwards and forwards at random. It's enough to give Einstein a headache. But wait, it gets weirder. What if black holes and white holes are actually two sides of the same coin? Imagine a black hole in our universe connecting to a white hole in another universe. Their collision wouldn't just be two objects smashing together, it would be two universes kissing. Now, let's talk consequences. If this cosmic collision happened anywhere near us, we'd be in for a wild ride. Planets would be flung out of orbit like cosmic confetti. Stars would be swallowed whole or torn apart. It would be the ultimate galactic reorganization. But don't cancel your plans just yet. The chances of this happening in our cosmic backyard are about as likely as you winning the lottery while being struck by lightning twice. So, why should we care about this cosmic collision that's probably never going to happen? Because it pushes the boundaries of what we know about the universe. It forces us to ask big questions. How did our universe begin? Could there be other universes out there? What are the true limits of physics? Every time we peer into the cosmos, we're looking at the greatest mystery story ever told. Black holes, white holes, and their mind-bending potential collisions are just chapters in this cosmic tale. And the best part? We're not just readers. We're characters in this story, slowly unraveling the plot. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars. You're witnessing the stage for the greatest show in the universe. A show where black holes and white holes might one day collide, and reality itself hangs in the balance. Keep watching the skies, space fans. The universe is full of surprises, and we've got front row seats to the greatest spectacle ever. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fascinating content about the universe, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for your support.